These magnificent demonstrations of dance. These animals reveal the intricate ways of survival and interaction that transcend typical communication. Dance is their language, a vivid narrative that combines survival instinct with beauty, forming a dance that is both art and essential function. As we revel in the wonder of these dancing animals, let the stunning 4K visuals and storytelling inspire you to ponder the complexity and splendor of nature. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to continue uncovering more of nature's hidden wonders. Stay tuned for more as we continue to explore the dynamic and extraordinary world we share.